Kimberly, and this is the Tickled Pink Events channel. And as you can see, I am all festive and ready for the holiday drinking season. Yep, we are in the midst of it. Christmas is just around the corner, and it's time to get our drink on. Now, today I'm going to do something different. I'm not making a cocktail, but don't worry, I think it'll still be a really informative video and maybe something you can get out and grab if you don't feel like mixing and shaking. So, a couple of months ago, well, actually not a couple of months ago, it just feels like that because time is moving so fast. Probably around mid-November, I get a call from one of my really good friends, Alex. Hey Alex, if you're watching, thanks for the recommendation. She told me that Trader Joe's just got in their Eggnog Liqueur, and she said that she had called and reserved 4 bottles of this because she got it last year and loved it, but then they sold out of it. So she reserved 4 bottles, and I'm thinking, wow, this must be pretty good if she needed to make sure that she had 4 bottles. I really didn't know because I'm not big into store-bought eggnog, and if you watched last year, I showed you how to make your own eggnog, and I will link that below in case you want to, be a little extra this year and make your own fresh eggnog. But she swore it was really good. So fast forward a week after that conversation, I'm in Trader Joe's and I see this big display of this liqueur, and I walk by and I go, I wonder if that is the liqueur Alex was telling me about. Now, while I'm having this thought, I hear a lady come up behind me and a store employee start talking about the liqueur. And the lady was going, well, what is it? Does it have alcohol? How do I drink it? And then the store employee went on and on about how it's one of their best sellers, how it usually sells out, and how it's really, really good over ice or just cold out of the refrigerator. And he talked it up that the woman grabbed a bottle. So now I grab a bottle and I take a picture and send it to Alex, and she's like, yep, that's the stuff. So I was like, okay, I'm going to give it a try. It's been talked up in the store. A friend that I really trust who has excellent taste likes it, so I'm going to give it a try. And today I'm going to try it with you. And then I'll let you know if you want to go out and grab a bottle for the holiday season. Now, I can tell you what I like about it so far. What I like about it so far is it comes already fully loaded with booze. You don't have to buy anything. The alcohol in it is spiced rum, which I put in my eggnog, and French brandy. So those are both great eggnog cocktails, spirits to put in your eggnog, and that's what I put in my eggnog along with bourbon, I think, and something else. Trust me, if you want to make eggnog, you should make the ones from scratch. It's amazing. But back to this one. So the fact that it already had it in there, that's good. And it says it's made with real dairy cream. I was cool with that. So it can't be bad, right? Like, it's not going to be awful. I felt like it had good ingredients. I had solid recommendations. So, and here's the other thing. The price point, $7.99. So if you're throwing a party, you can buy a few bottles of this, pour up some eggnog for your friends. It's got the alcohol and everything you need for a really inexpensive price point. So I think it's a win-win. So now I'm going to try it to let you know if it's truly like a keeper. And so what I'm going to do, the back of the bottle even comes with serving instructions. It says, enjoy over ice with a dash of nutmeg or cinnamon for the perfect holiday libation. So that's exactly what we're going to do. But also, it was recommended that I could pour this over ice cream and do a dessert, which that sounds pretty bomb too. So let's go ahead. So I've got my ice. Got my eggnog liqueur, covering up the label, there we go, and I'm pouring. Already, it smells good. I like the smell. It's got that typical eggnog smell. Now, I'm going to do what they said. I'm going to add some fresh spices, and I think it's really great that they tell you to do that because it does give it that homemade feel. So I'm going to just grate a little eggnog, fresh eggnog, not too much, and then I'm going to add just a dash of cinnamon, and it doubles as a garnish. So you can just, nutmeg. Sorry, I called it eggnog because I got nog in the brain. That was fresh nutmeg, not fresh eggnog. So, and I haven't even started drinking yet. So who knows what's going to come out of my mouth after I finish this bottle. So now we've got our eggnog liqueur, and I've got it in the glass with the little fresh spices. And now for the moment of truth. I'm going to drink it. Here we go. Wow! Well, really, wow. Like, this is super good. What I like about it, what I was afraid of, I was afraid it was going to be cloyingly sweet and thick and syrupy, but it's really not. Like, it's light, it's easy drinking. Like, the eggnog you buy in the store, cartons, is really thick and gloopy. This is not that. And over ice, it's really just a bright, taste of like eggnog flavor, but not all the heaviness that you typically associate with eggnog. There, you can taste the alcohol, but it doesn't kick you in the face. So if you have people who aren't big drinkers, they're going to be able to enjoy this. And the fresh spices just kind of brighten it up. I really do think this is great. And now I'm going to go out and get a few more bottles because this is going to go fast in our house. Now you do want to know, you have to refrigerate it after you open it because it has the real dairy. But I love this. Oh my god, it's really good. Like, I'm saying, it's seriously really good. I get what all the hubbub's about. Trader Joe's delivers on this one. So if you're looking for a quick holiday libation for decorating the tree or partying with friends and family, or just to sit and watch your favorite cheesy Christmas movie, I really highly recommend that you give this Trader Joe's Eggnog Liqueur try. And I thank you for watching, and I wish everyone a Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, a Happy Kwanzaa, or whatever you celebrate. I hope it's merry and bright this year, and I look forward to great new cocktail videos for you in the new year. Cheers, everybody!